morning. It is January the 2nd. I am quite ill. I don't know if you can hear it. I can't hear anything because my head is so congested. It just feels like it needs to pop off. I've brewed myself a nice cup of tea, some chamomile and lemon this morning. I'm hoping that it's gonna help because I put a little bit of honey in it as well. We have people over today working on the door for our bathroom in the basement, so it's going to be a little chaotic. Ideally for today, I want to get done some YouTube video stuff because I need to get on a more regular, consistent posting schedule. I do have the goal of posting every single Sunday. I talked about that in my goal planning video, and then a whole bunch of crap happened. I talked about it in the last studio vlog, and I got really sick last week. So I was just down and out after I posted that reading journal video. So I am kind of hoping that I can do an easier video, which is just recording that flip through for the reading journal. That's kind of what my goal is today, and to take some photos of them before I pass them off to my friend. This morning already, I worked on my self-care checklist. That's also one of my goals. I have a notepad set up where it's a beginning of the day reflection and then the end of the day reflection. I'm sitting down right now to start working on my journal because I have done nothing for January in the terms of like prepping and getting things set up. Got all changed into some comfies. I just finished recording the journal flip through for Sam. I am so excited. It's looking so good. It just honestly makes me want to create one more now for myself. So I'll probably be doing that in the next couple of weeks, and you'll be seeing a video probably in February, I think, just on like how my first month of doing a book journal is going. I had to come upstairs to record this because the basement's really loud with people fixing the bathroom right now. I have no voice, as you can probably tell, and I need to record this voiceover, so I'm going to try to muster up all the strength that I have left in my vocal cords to do the voiceover here for the custom reading journal. It is time for another custom bullet journal flip through. This time I'm using this beautiful sage green book. I love this. It's from my website, and I am doing a reading journal for one of my friends, Sam. I am so excited to actually be feeling better today. I actually feel more like myself today and more able to do stuff. So I just ended up finishing my year's vision. It is so cute. I love the way that it looks. I saw this on TikTok, and once I saw one video, I saw so many, and I was like, I have to do it this year because I want to create a vision board, but I always struggle collaging because I am so picky on where things go. This I don't have to be picky with, which is nice. You literally just cut it out into a square and put it down. So super simple. I am using the same journal too. Some people feel weird about that, where like, I don't think I can actually use something that I've already used before for all of the different spreads and want to just start the new year off fresh. Today I am working on the beginning of the year spreads. I have yet to create them, and we're already, I think it's the 6th of January today. I know I should have been getting it done earlier, but I wasn't feeling well. And you know, you can journal anytime. I'm gonna keep January really simple, and I'm going to use my Crayola pens. I am going to do a zodiac theme. I am literally stealing from my December Plan With Me video a few years ago. I am doing that exact color palette, that exact layout. Everything is going to be exact to that spread, except instead of saying December, it's going to say January. On a different note, I have been using my self-care checklist. In the morning, I start with how I'm feeling, what my intentions are for the day, what I'm grateful for, and then my top 3 goals. And then in my evening, I look at how I'm feeling after the day, what I've learned from the day, 3 things that brought me joy, and what I can do to make tomorrow better. This past week has been very difficult for our family. We got some really bad news, and I, in my processing, have been trying to not get consumed by my emotions, and having something like this has been really helpful. I will probably share a little bit later what's going on. I don't really feel comfortable doing it yet, but I kind of just wanted to talk a little bit about this because right now it's something that's helping me, and it's something that I feel comfortable sharing. I'm literally starting to fill out the first few pages of the year, so I already did my vision board. This lettering, love, obsessed with. It's super simple. I did end up creating my future logs. I have so many videos on this. I did make a boo-boo, just covered it up with paper. We are just keeping it real. Same thing with January. I missed the N in January, which is so silly. That's all that's there. And then I just have that until December. I will not be in this journal until December. I do like to plan things out a little further in advance. That's why I have things this far. Then I have my January theme. Love, love, love this. I have this that I just filled out. I'm just keeping my habits along the side here, which is super fun. Today's gonna be a very chill day. Yesterday, I ended up creating a bunch of different spreads for my bullet journal. I am getting back into the mindset of trying to figure out a routine. I honestly am just so emotionally drained and emotionally exhausted that I am trying to make each day really, really easy for me. So today's fun and easy task is to work on some stickers. The last time that I did it was in the middle of November when I was working on my Christmas themed gnomes stickers. What I'm thinking for February is to do a stained glass theme. In my head, this is going to be easy. Is it actually going to be easy? I don't know. Hey, it's like golden hour in here with the sun. I got an order in last night for a bunch of different weekly tracker stickers. Love these. These are totally a popular one. I feel like you would have seen them in so many studio vlogs, but I wrote out my list for today on which is packing and recording up that order. I also dropped off, I have a lot of drop-offs and pickups today. That is what a lot of my January is going to look like. We have some family stuff going on and we are all needing to lean on each other right now. So I am really picking up some extra shifts in terms of being boober is what we call it, because usually my dad does it, but now it's going to be Coober because Caitlin's doing it. I am going to get the stickers all printed off, ready to get packaged up and headed on out. I am going forward, I'm updating all of my shipping information on both Shopify and Etsy. Going to be using tracked shipping. I can't remember if I said that already or not. Have a peace of mind. It's a little more ease of mind for customers as well because they can actually access where it is in the shipping process as well because I provide the tracking information too, which is really, really cool. So far I've gotten great feedback on that. I just finished cutting all of these weekly stickers. They look so freaking good. I love them. But I was thinking about it that each of these have 8 stickers on them, so it lasts you 8 weeks. 8, and the person got 6, so 8 times 6, quick mental math is 48. So this will last almost a year with these sticker sheets. That's so smart, getting them all at once too. Ooh, love it. I feel like that's perfect. I had a good morning. I was on bus training duty for my sister, so we practiced that. I also am on chauffeur duty today for my dad. He is doing chemo, so I just dropped him off and now I am dropping off my order that I got in a couple of days ago just to the post office. So that will be nice as well. I don't think I had fully mentioned what was going on with what was causing talking about my self-care checklist journey over the last little bit and how it's really helped with grounding. It's helped in particular because the diagnosis that my dad has received from the doctors is 2 years. He has cancer in his pancreas and his liver, and it's a very aggressive cancer. He's at stage 4. It's also a rare cancer, so it is a little bit of an emotional ride, to say the least. But I have found a lot of joy in just driving with him to the appointments, which has been really nice. So that's kind of my day so far. I got an order in 2 days ago and then another order in this morning. I'm packaging both of them up right now. Funny enough, they both got the paycheck breakdown notepad, and then one of them got a couple other bullet journal stickers and vinyl stickers that I am putting in and wrapping up together. am currently working on my laptop right now to get my plan figured out for my weekly bullet journal video that I'm going to be doing. I did a poll recently and people are more interested in the actually how to use versus the setting up. So I'm going to try to smoosh those two into one, where I'm answering questions on like what a weekly spread is, how to create one, how to use one effectively, how to make one to fit your lifestyle more. So I'm kind of hoping that that comes across in the video. Hello, just in here? The yellow one? Perfect. Thank you. Hi, you need to move over. Go on, back it up, back it up. Hi, you're like, you left me. All right, mail is all dropped off, ready for the next task. Good morning from the Create with Cait studio. I have been working on my stickers for the last over a week now. It's Wednesday, so about a week and a half, and I am in love with how they look so far. Currently, I am working on the Monday to Sunday headers. Goal for today, finishing the outline for the stickers for the Monday to Sunday headers, and then I need to start coloring things in. I'm gonna start with the larger decorative pieces, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna get to planning stuff out in my journal right now. I have a busy day, gotta get going. I currently have about 90% of my stickers done. I'm currently working on outlining them and formatting them into a sticker sheet. That's kind of the plan today. I did get 2 orders in though within the last couple of days, which is really nice. I got one in on really late on Sunday and then one Monday afternoon. So I'm going to pack both of those up today and get them shipped out when I'm dropping off my dad at his appointment. And then I can check that off the list. I've really been loving my spreads for my bullet journal. I kind of did one like this last week, but switched up a couple of elements. I'm gonna see how I like this one. I really did love last week's. It just kind of flowed really nicely together. I love them. They look so beautiful. Got the whole squad here officially going to be approving how the stickers look. So option 1, decorative small stickers. Yeah. So good, right? I got a cool.
Obi, what do you think?
We're not playing with Ducky right now. We're grading Mom's stickers.
All right, go get it.
Okay.